Now I am here to present about the working model of electric generator which I have made. So let's move on to the detailed explanation of this model.
This is the working model of electric generator and the materials required for this are sunboard, DC motor, old CD, rubber band, pipe, LED light and copper wire.
Now we can have a look about the theory and principles of electric generator. So an electric generator is a device that converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. And in this model we check how a DC motor is converted to an electric generator to produce electrical energy. And electric generator works based on the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction. This is the main principle of electric generator. So what is this electromagnetic induction? The process by which a changing magnetic field in a conductor induces a current to another conductor is called electromagnetic induction. And in a generator, mechanical energy is used to rotate a conductor in a magnetic field to produce electricity. This is a diagrammatic representation of an electric generator and it consists of a rotating rectangular coil ABCD placed between the two poles of a permanent magnet N and S, and the two ends of this rectangular coil is connected to a split ring. This is split ring and the inner side of this split ring is made insulated so that the current does not pass through inside the split ring. And two brushes B1 and B2 is kept pressed on the split ring respectively. And this split ring is also attached internally to the axle. This is axle and we have to rotate this axle outside so that only the coil inside the magnetic field rotates. And the two outer ends of this brush is connected to a bulb to show the flow of current through this given external circuit. And when the rings attached to this axle rotates, the arm AB moves down and the arm CD moves up. And from this we can say that the coil ABCD moves in clockwise. So by induction, the current is produced in this coil, in this rectangular coil ABCD. And we can also show the direction of induced current by using Fleming's right hand rule. So what is the Fleming's right hand rule? So the Fleming's right hand rule says that if the thumb gives the direction of movement of conductor and the forefinger gives the magnetic field and the middle finger gives the direction of current induced in the conductor, when the three fingers are kept perpendicular to each other. So this simple rule is called Fleming's right hand rule. So by applying this rule in this electric generator, we can find the direction of current induced in the electric generator. So this is the overall representation of electric generator and its basic principle, that is electromagnetic induction. Now let's go back to our model.
So as we have discussed earlier, the materials required for this working model are sunboard for base, DC motor which act as electric generator, CD for hanging the rubber band and to rotate the DC motor, rubber band to attach CD with DC motor, pipe used as stand for CD, LED light to show the passage of current from the DC motor, and copper wire to attach CD with LED light. The principle of electric generator which we have discussed earlier act on the DC motor. As we rotate the CD, the axle of DC motor which is attached to the CD rotates, which makes the coil inside the motor rotates. As a result, a passage of current happens, therefore the bulb glows.
So this is how the working model of electric generator works, and these electric generators are useful for homes, shops and offices which face frequent power outages, and in distant areas where electricity cannot be accessed from the main line, these electric generators act as the primary source for power supply. And another example is that in working sites where electricity cannot be accessed from the grid, electric generators is useful for powering machinery and tools. Thank you.